Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about investment guidance. I'll cover how to invest money wisely, explore different investment options, and discuss the risks and returns associated with various investment vehicles. What is investing? Investing is the process of putting your money to work in order to grow it over time. There are many different ways to invest, and each type of investment has its own risks and rewards. Why is it important to invest? Investing is important for a number of reasons. First, it can help you to reach your financial goals, such as saving for retirement or buying a house. Second, it can help you to protect your money from inflation. Inflation is the gradual rise in prices over time, and it can erode the value of your savings. By investing your money, you can grow your wealth faster than inflation. Different investment options. There are many different types of investments available, including stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of that company. Stocks can be a volatile investment, but they have the potential to generate high returns over the long term. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to a government or corporation. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to the issuer of the bond in exchange for a fixed interest rate. Bonds are generally considered to be a safer investment than stocks, but they also offer lower potential returns. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are baskets of stocks, bonds, or other investments. They are managed by professional investment managers who buy and sell securities in the fund in order to try to achieve the fund's investment objectives. Mutual funds can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and to invest in a variety of different assets. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they trade like stocks on an exchange. ETFs can be a more cost-effective way to invest than mutual funds, and they offer a wider range of investment options. Real estate. Real estate can be a good investment, but it is important to understand the risks involved. Real estate can be illiquid, meaning that it can be difficult to sell quickly. Additionally, real estate can be expensive to maintain and manage. Alternative investments. Alternative investments include a wide range of assets, such as commodities, hedge funds, and private equity. Alternative investments can be complex and risky, but they can also offer the potential for high returns. Understanding the risks and returns of different investment vehicles. All investments carry some degree of risk. The amount of risk associated with an investment depends on the type of investment and the specific investment vehicle. For example, stocks are generally considered to be a riskier investment than bonds. However, some stocks are riskier than others. For example, small-cap stocks are generally considered to be riskier than large-cap stocks. The potential returns of an investment also vary, depending on the type of investment and the specific investment vehicle. Stocks have the potential to generate high returns over the long term, but they can also be volatile in the short term. Bonds generally offer lower returns than stocks, but they are also less volatile. How to invest money wisely. When choosing investments, it is important to consider your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you have a low risk tolerance, you may want to focus on safer investments, such as bonds. If you have a high risk tolerance and a long-term investment horizon, you may want to consider investing in stocks. It is also important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversifying your portfolio can help to reduce your risk, as different asset classes tend to perform differently in different market conditions. Finally, it is important to have a long-term investment horizon. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to grow your wealth through investing. Don't try to time the market or to get rich quick. Instead, focus on investing regularly over time and on rebalancing your portfolio as needed. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it is important to understand the risks involved and to choose investments that are appropriate for your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you are new to investing, it may be a good idea to work with a financial advisor to develop an investment plan. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about investing, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance and investing.